hi everybody. This is a Turbo Hydromatic 350 out of this 81 Chevy pickup. This truck came to us with no forward gears. The truck did not drive. We're going to be rebuilding the transmission. First step of that, once you pull the transmission out of the car, first I'm taking the cooler lines off of the case. I'm going to strip the outside of the case before I pull the converter and start tearing down the drivetrain. This is the torque converter. This part transfers power from your engine to the transmission and lets you come to a stop and idle without while staying in gear. It smells pretty nasty. The fluid's very burnt. Before we did anything, we made sure the fluid level was right on this truck. It was a little low, but not significantly low, to keep it from having forward gears.